Hello learners, welcome back to our channel Propelx Labs. Today we are going to build a simple and exciting DIY project, a smart intruder detection alarm system. This system is designed using a house model where it detects any intrusion through a window and triggers a loud alarm using a buzzer. Before we begin, let's take a look at the components you will need. An Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor, a buzzer, jumper wires, a power source, and a simple house model made using cardboard or a 3D printed structure. You can find all electronic components in the Propelx Labs Young Innovators Kit. So let's get started. First, build a simple house model using a cardboard or a 3D printed structure. Make sure to include a window that can open and close slightly for demonstration. Now mount the ultrasonic sensor inside the house directly facing the window. Position it in such a way that it continuously monitors any change in distance when the window is opened or when something passes through it. This setup allows the sensor to detect any movement or intrusion near the window area. Now, place the Arduino Uno securely near the model and connect all components neatly. Let's move on to the connections. Connect the ultrasonic sensor VCC to 5V on Arduino, ground to ground, trigger to digital pin 9, echo to digital pin 10. For the buzzer, positive pin to digital pin 12, negative pin to ground. Once everything is connected, double check all wiring carefully using the circuit diagram provided. Now, open the Arduino IDE, copy the code linked in the description and paste it into the software. In the program, the ultrasonic sensor continuously measures the distance between itself and the window area. Under normal conditions, the distance remains constant. But when the window is opened or an object passes through it, the distance changes, and the Arduino detects this variation as a potential intrusion. When an intrusion is detected, the system immediately activates the buzzer alarm, producing a loud sound to alert about the breach. So the logic works like this. Normal distance, system idle, buzzer is off. Distance change detected, buzzer on, alarm triggered. Now connect your Arduino to the computer using a USB cable. Select the correct board and port in the Arduino IDE and upload the code. Once uploaded successfully, disconnect the USB and power the system using a battery or power bank. Now test it. Open the window or place your hand near the sensor and you will hear the buzzer activate instantly as an alarm. This project is a great example of how ultrasonic sensors can be used in security and intruder detection system for smart homes. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Propelx Labs for more exciting DIY builds. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.